before you go out and buy a brand new faucet or call a plumber, try this first. This could save you time and money, and it's usually an easy fix. Today, we're troubleshooting a faucet with low water pressure on both hot and cold sides. When you turn the handle either way, the water barely comes out. I'll show you the very first place I check when I run into this issue. Let's get to fixing. Step 1. Check the aerator, most common problem. When both hot and cold have low pressure, I always start at the tip of the faucet, right where the water comes out. This piece is called the aerator. It mixes air with water and can easily get clogged with debris. Most of the time, you can dry it off, turn it counterclockwise by hand. Remove it easily. If it's tight, use pliers with a rag wrapped around it to avoid scratching the finish. In this case, there was actually a small pebble stuck inside. Sometimes debris gets into your lines after a city water shutdown or water main repair. Clean it out, make sure. The rubber gasket is inside. The gasket is in good shape. Then reinstall it and test the water. If that fixes it, you're done. But if not, keep going. Step 2. Check the supply hose under the sink. If cleaning the aerator doesn't fix the issue, the problem may be inside when the supply hose is. Under the sink, you'll see hot water valve, left side, cold water valve, right side. In this case, the hot water line was the issue. First, turn off the shutoff valve. Place a bucket underneath. Use a 17mm wrench to loosen the supply hose. Keep the hose straight while loosening. Expect a small amount of water. That's normal. Step 3. Flush the line backwards. Here's the trick. Sometimes debris gets stuck inside the hose before it reaches the aerator. To clear it, disconnect the hot line. Turn on the cold water briefly. This pushes water backward through the faucet and forces debris out the disconnected hose. You'll usually see sediment or small particles in the bucket. After flushing it a few times, reconnect everything, reinstalling the hose properly. When reinstalling, start threading by hand. It should spin on smoothly and easily. If it feels tight right away, it's probably cross-threaded. Back it off and try again. Once hand tight, snug it down with a wrench. Don't over-tighten. Hold the hose so it doesn't twist. Turn the shutoff valve back on. Dry everything completely. Check carefully for leaks. The moment of truth. Turn the faucet on. Before, weak, slow flow. After, strong, steady pressure, almost 10x better. You'll also notice the hot water heats up faster, since proper flow is restored. And that's it. A simple fix that could save you hundreds of dollars. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more easy DIY plumbing fixes. Drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.